With the release of Windows Subsystem for Android, users have been encountering the unable to start Windows Subsystem for Android error message while trying to start the environment. The reason that this problem occurs is very well explained in the error message as well, which essentially is virtualization. If you do not have virtualization enabled on your Windows 11 operating system, the Windows Subsystem for Android environment will not be able to initialize and thus the error message occurs. You can fix this problem pretty simply by enabling virtualization on your computer, which is what I'm going to show you in this guide, so just follow through. Hit the Windows key and then type Control Panel. Then, click Control Panel. Click Programs. Now, click on Turn Windows Features On or Off under Programs and Features. Now, enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform features here and then click OK. Restart the computer now. Press Windows X and then select Shut Down or Sign Out greater than Restart. When done, virtualization should now be enabled on your Windows 11 computer. You should no longer get the error anymore.